Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how to create some monogramming text with ice and export it to an embroidery design. I'll open up the ice application. Let's create a new canvas. Say we want it 600 pixels by 600 pixels, which is 600 pixels, which is about 15.9 centimeters. So we'll go ahead and make that 15 centimeters, 150 mil. Okay, straight over to the pen tool, type some text. Let's choose a colour. Let's make the text quite big and the radius quite big too. I'll put that text on the top. We're going to select the same text, choose a different colour, green, put that on the bottom, and then guess what, we're going to do the same again and put hello world through the middle in a different colour. In fact, we'll just go and select a different font. We'll make it the bold. Okay, there's our design. Let's save that design, or the image should I say. Save that for later just in case when you want to edit it. Head over to the embroidery tool, keeping all the defaults again. I'll go into in more detail of these defaults in another video. I'm just going to select all, which will add every colour, every region to our sew list in any order, just for demonstration purposes, and click the sew button. Down the bottom you can see there's 30 regions and the progress of converting those regions to embroidery. When it's finished, it'll show us the export window and the design there, and we can see the hearts in the middle, which is the default fill pattern I used here. Let's export that. We'll export it to the native QEP format for the EDS software, so we can go ahead over to the EDS software and see what that design looks like. Okay, there it is. Yeah, let's make it fit the window. Let's zoom in a little bit and look at, can you see the hearts through all of the design? And that's our finished design. If you're enjoying these videos, please remember to like and subscribe for more content. There will be lots more videos coming on the topic of ice, our new application for 2025.